Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be trying all the Prime. So we've got lemon lime, ice pop, KSI, and tropical punch. And blue raspberry bath drink it. Improve, I've got blue raspberry. It's not them. It stinks. No, actually, if you smell this, you'll be like, probably with all my bottles, they stink. I don't know why, maybe because they're all rotten. Oh, have you not seen this smell here? It tastes like peanuts. I'm sorry for being so small. It tastes like... Right, smells like it. Right, first of all, we got ice pop, so let's try it. I'll give it a solid 3 out of 10. That's alright. Yeah, at the end of the video, I'll show you how much Prime I got. There's loads right over there. Oh, God. Next up is lemon and lime. I've tried this one before. Oh. Ready? Let's go. Not bad. It tastes like lemon. Obviously, because it's not called lemon and lime. Tell you what, I'll give it a tad. It's quite good, quite bad. 7 out of 10. It's alright. And next up, the KSI. Let's go. And this is probably one of my favourite flavours ever. Oh, it smells so good. 9 out of 10. Wait, to be honest, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. But then it's gonna all go into a big thing, so I'll include blue raspberry. So blue raspberry versus whoever, and I'll do that. Right. So the last one is tropical punch. Let's try. Really nice, actually. Not the best. Oh God. Oh yeah, that's all my Prime there. All of it there. Yeah. And there's one hidden right there, but it's a fake bottle. If I prove it, should I get it? I've got 2 fake bottles. Where's that one? He's a fake bottle. Look. Oh, there's all that there. I know it's very fake. A fake bottle of Prime. Real. Pardon me. So let's do this. Right. Lemon and lime, the KSI. Rhymes. Prime. So let's try lemon lime. Alright, try lemon lime. KSI wins for that one, so put you out. But next up, tropical punch versus blue raspberry, and I would say blue raspberry definitely. So tropical punch out. And the last 2, blue raspberry versus KSI. Let's go. It's only just blue raspberries. And now it's time to show you all the Prime I've got. Are you ready for the big reveal? Look at all that. There's another fake one. Just hiding. There's my Xbox. We did a video today on that. On my school uniform, ready for tomorrow. And yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and peace out. Subscribe and drink Prime. Subscribe, please. Like.